Hello everyone, my name is Auden. Now we are at the Volferda factory. Behind me, this is our double-story room type D1. This is by far our most popular. It is also the largest room type. Let's see what it looks like. The entire area of D1 is 103.5 square meters. It consists of 3 cabins plus a terrace. The length of each cabin is 11.5 m, width is 2.5 m. When the 2 cabins are put together, the width is 4.5 m. And we ship it disassembled and assembled. Can help us save shipping costs? Let's take a look at the second layer. It is composed of a cabin and a terrace. Then the bottom is supported by these 3 steel pipes to the second layer. It's very stable in here. Then words, come over to this place. Then this place can put a table or something for leisure. It's very good. Next, let's take a look inside the first floor. What does it look like inside? After you come in, this is our first floor. The first floor is a very large space. This is a place where you can do some leisure, work, etc. You can even treat it as a large living room. Then to our right, there is a room and a bathroom arranged here. Room words. You can use it as a small conference room or a small bedroom, no problem. The entire space is enough for most uses. Then next to the room, it's just a very big bathroom, including saying, wash basin, toilet, there are showers. We even said that, if there are any special needs, we can meet them. So, let's build some office cafe or something on this first floor. In fact, they are very suitable. Because the overall space is large enough, and there are few obstructions in the middle. There is a spiral staircase at the connection point between the first and second floors. Underneath his spiral staircase is a high-strength stainless steel bracket. There is a solid wood floor above. This is because he is testing whether the house splicing is complete. So the staircase has not been assembled yet. It's not that the stairs themselves are like this, so there's nothing to worry about. Alright, next, let's go to the second floor and take a look. Now we have come to the second floor through this spiral staircase. You can go out directly from the second floor. You can also go this way. This is an indoor environment. In this place, you can choose to divide it into multiple small rooms. Each room is about 6 to 8 square meters, which can basically meet most needs. And you don't have to worry about not having a place to go in, because there are many glass doors next to it. In the innermost part, there is a bathroom, a sink, a toilet, and a dry and wet separated bath. You don't need to go to the first floor specifically for a bathroom. Because we have a lot of floor-to-ceiling windows, we can go directly outside. Once outside, our entire terrace is reached. You can use this terrace. It's okay to go see the scenery or do some other leisure activities. Then let's look back. On the left-hand side of this terrace, you can go through this glass door, come directly up the spiral staircase. And there's also a huge terrace here. This terrace is on the top of the first floor, about 21 square meters. And because it is a square terrace, it feels more spacious. This place can be used as an open-air restaurant or for leisure purposes. In fact, it's all fine. Including saying that after you buy it back later, you can also add some sunshades yourself to expand the usable area. This is the introduction of Volferda D1. If you have some other special needs, you can also make changes. If you are interested, you can contact me.
Volferda, a synonym of smart houses.